Hey guys, it's Liv. Today we're going to be talking about all things college closet essentials because I feel like packing for college is actually so unnecessarily overwhelming. It's so easy to pack things that you're never going to wear, which I kind of have been an expert at that. So I'm going to show you guys all of the things that I think are actually worth packing. The basics, the cute everyday pieces, and things that you'll even need for internships or more professional kind of stuff. Basically everything that you need to build the perfect college wardrobe without packing your entire room. So let's get into it. So I have everything split into categories like clothing basics, outerwear, business casual, business professional, lounge and sleepwear, activewear, shoes, all of the things. So we're going to start with clothing basics. The first thing that I think you're going to need is some good matching sets. Matching sets are very convenient because you can just throw them on, run to class, even if you're running late, and you still at least look put together and cute. And you can elevate a matching set, just like wearing jewelry, doing your hair a certain way if you have the time. There's so many different options for matching sets. Then for the jeans, you don't need to pack 20 pairs of jeans, okay? You need a light wash pair, a dark wash pair, a black pair, and then a white pair if that's your vibe. 4 or 5 pairs max. Maybe not even. Maybe 3. Light, medium, dark. But basically just don't pack like 20 pairs of dark wash jeans, 20 pairs of light wash jeans, because you just don't need to do that. Then for the mini skirts, you should get a jean mini skirt and a black mini skirt. That way you can wear them with all different outfit options. A good pair of black leggings, comfy yoga pants, and comfy sweatpants. A mix of basic everyday tops and some tops that you need to feel a little bit more elevated. You can get these from literally anywhere. Amazon has a lot of great options, which are linked in my storefront in the description box. Also, like TJ Maxx, Marshalls have really cheap options, and low-key, Walmart's been popping off a little recently. Same thing with Target. You can find some good cheap options just. For outerwear, maybe if you're going somewhere like Florida, you might not need as much outerwear, but I personally go to school in Rhode Island, so I need some of these things. Hoodies and crew necks, again, maybe like 2 to 3 each. Your favorite colors to wear. You don't need 20 hoodies. Unless that's like all you wear, because I do know people that like all they wear is hoodies and they do have 20 of them. But that's fine, because all they wear. I personally wear hoodies maybe a few times a week, bring like maybe 5. A denim jacket or a leather jacket to help you with like layering, elevate your outfits a little bit. If you're somewhere where it's very windy or rainy, you should probably bring like a lightweight jacket, windbreaker, raincoat kind of thing. And then a puffer vest or winter jacket if you go somewhere cold, depending on how cold it is. And again, I go to school in Rhode Island, so I definitely need a good winter jacket. For lounge and sleepwear, for lounge and sleepwear, I would recommend getting a few good matching sets. I also personally wear a lot of like random comfy like funny t-shirts. I literally have shirts that say like I got that dog in me. I have a shirt with Gibby from iCarly on it, a shirt with horses on it that says reckless, like a Shrek shirt. I love wearing like oversized t-shirts and like little shorts to bed. Having a few good matching pajama sets is nice every once in a while too. Of course, like I said, comfy shorts, comfy socks. Another thing that you might need is a robe, especially if you're in communal bathrooms. Every time I get flashbacks to freshman year in the communal dorms, I'm so sorry. If you're a freshman and you're living in communal dorms, I'm so sorry. It's only a year and you know, it's not the end of the world, but sometimes, maybe you won't hate it. I did. For activewear, like I already said, matching sets. You can wear to the gym, you can wear to class. Great option, matching activewear sets. My dog is barking, please stop barking. Do you guys like my computer stickers? Off topic. Sports bras, leggings, like athletic shorts. A good quarter zip is nice. And workout tanks, activewear tanks, I don't know what you would call them. Shoes and sneakers. You don't need 20 pairs. At most, maybe you could bring like an everyday shoe, sneaker, / like tennis shoe or gym shoe, whatever. A pair of like flats and heels for slippers and Uggs. That's all you need for shoes. You need like 4 or 5 pairs. Or I can go deeper into the list and give you white sneakers, tennis shoes / gym sneakers, everyday sneakers, slippers, Uggs or cozy boots that you can kind of wear, like throw on, Birkenstocks or flip-flops, shower shoes. If you were in a communal shower, I better not see your bare dogs out. I swear to God, like the amount of people that I saw freshman year walking in the bathroom floor barefoot, showering barefoot. You're so gross. You're so gross. Please, for the love of God, get shower shoes. They're like 10 bucks on Amazon. I have some in my storefront. Like, please. You can literally even wear flip-flops. Like, you don't even have to buy another pair of shoes. If you have an extra pair of flip-flops lying around, just wear those in the shower. Flats or heels, like I said, for a more elevated outfit, and then boots for like the fall and winter outfits, you know. Again, you don't need all of those. Those are just some options for you to pick, maybe like 5 pairs that you think you're gonna need. And then the rest of them, keep them out. Next, we have business casual and business professional outfits. You're probably gonna need at least one good more elevated outfit for presentations, job interviews, internship interviews, stuff like that, because you never know when you're going to need it, especially if you're a business major like I am. Marketing major, hi. If you're a marketing major, subscribe. Follow me on social media, we can be friends. Marketing friends. I hate when I like emo sometimes, I'm sorry. But you need a good pair of slacks / dress pants, like a blouse or a sweater, and then flats or low heels like kitten heels. For the love of God, closed-toed heels. Closed-toed. Do not show up to presentations, do not show up to interviews, do not show up to nice school events wearing open-toe heels. Unless you're at like a formal or something, that's fine. But if you're going to a presentation wearing 5-inch open-toe heels, like, I'm sorry, I'm actually so embarrassed for you. Like, that's so unprofessional. Ugh. Or if this isn't more your vibe, you can bring like a professional dress, midi dress, not a short dress, at least a midi or maxi dress if that's your vibe too. Your butt does not need to be out in a presentation. Thank you. Also, I know sometimes like business professional, business casual clothes can get expensive. So Amazon, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Target have great options. And especially if it's not something that you're gonna wear all the time, like don't like spend $100 buying. Like for bags, you're gonna need a school slash like class bag. So depending on what you want, you can get like a backpack or a little tote slash purse. I personally use a little, I think it's like a purse technically, a tote purse. It's just like, it's like a tote bag but it has a zipper. Maybe you want to bring like a little clutch, little, what are those called, handbag, little, hold on, let me show you an example. Let me show you my favorite. Something like this, keep with you when you want to like have it for other outfits besides just class outfits. Little bag like that. And also if you're taking photos, it gives you something to hold, you know. Shiva. Anyway, sorry. Then maybe you might want like a little gym bag or a little crossbody bag. Maybe depending on where you go, you might want like a little beach bag kind of thing. Some fun accessories that are simple and don't take too much space include a baseball hat slash like trucker hat, a good belt. I think brown is probably like the best color that you can wear with like anything. Maybe like a black or white. And then if you really are a belt person, then maybe you can go out and buy like for fun patterns. Like I really want a cheetah print belt. Zebra print. Or like a fun like colorful belt, like a pink belt. A few pairs of sunglasses, simple jewelry, whatever you're like every day. Stack is, most of mine are from Every Jewels. Use code Olivia708. You're welcome. Use my code please. Thank you. And then you might want like a claw clip. Those are great because like you can wear them in any situation. It can also elevate outfits. You can like accessorize with claw clips. Like I know I have like a pearl claw clip or like a pink claw clip, a flower claw clip. I have a ton of flower claw clips. Also, you're gonna need a lot of hair ties. This is like kind of unrelated because like this isn't really like a closet piece, but like I brought probably like 50 plus hair ties freshman year, and I think by the end of the year I had like maybe 5. But I dance, so as a dancer I always have hair ties on me and I always lose them. And then like a watch. This is my favorite. It's a Coach watch. Or maybe like an Apple Watch. But watches are a nice little accessory. Why is my pinky social distancing? Then obviously you're gonna need like undergarments, whatever best fits you. Bring lots of them. Bras, for example. Bring like different bras that you're gonna want to wear with different kinds of outfits. Bring lots of socks, especially if you're like sharing a laundry with like 100 plus people, you might lose them. Next, if you're going to a cold school like me, I go to school in Rhode Island, like I said, and the blizzard of 2026 was crazy. Let's just say that. Winter coat, nice warm puffer jacket, keep you warm. Gloves, a hat, could be like a beanie or like whatever hat you prefer. Earmuffs, some thick socks, and then winter and snow boots. I feel like a lot of people I know forgot snow boots and then we're like, I don't have anything to wear in the 3-foot snow outside my dorm right now. And then you're like walking around in mud in your Uggs and destroying your Uggs. On the opposite end of that, if you go to a beach school, like I also do, or you go somewhere warmer, you might want to bring some swimsuits or like a little beach bag, swimsuit cover up, and then maybe like beach shoes, like flip-flops, sandals, whatever. Okay, notice how that was a short little video because you don't need to pack that much. Honestly, like I need to take my own advice because I'm giving you guys advice on how to like not overpack for college, and I literally overpack every single year. To the point where like my parents probably bring home at least an entire like move-in carry bags. They probably bring home like an entire bag of those full of clothes that I didn't need or can't fit. But you know, take my advice, do as I say, not as I do. And I want to make like a whole college series. Like I wanted to do like a school supplies video, dorm essentials video, college makeup. I actually kind of already did that last year. That's right, last year, go watch. I did a little 5-minute makeup routine that you could do before class. I think that makeup routine is still a good one, so I just rolled out of bed makeup routine because the amount of times I've accidentally woken up a little late, or like not accidentally, because I kind of have a habit of like having my alarm go off and then snoozing it until it's like 7:30 and I'm at 8 AM and I'm like, I keep like yapping and then like forgetting what I'm saying. Anyways, I have nothing else to say. That was everything for the videos. If you enjoyed or you want more college content from me, let me know because I'm going to try to be posting more. And with that, I'm bringing back this outro and I'm saying peace out, party people.